nothing to go. Me don't know nothing to go. Me don't know nothing to go. They call me name. They call me name. They call me name. They call me name.
Godfather, mother shakara, get a bubble like hot water. Get a six, no girl no want you. Me a big stiff, fucking back, deep, big fluffy, deep fluffy, deep, big body, big deep, blue, deep, and deep, fresh like this, six-step candy. Hey, yo, yo.
Brother, let me tell you this. You see, if somebody make themselves unavailable, don't bomb buckle or reach out to them. Don't tell them say this is an outreach program already. Fuck them, man.
Yo, I'm not only for ear, but they see when you see me, I'm a orange girl. Lower, yeah? You lower, every blood clot me there with that girl you want here, man. Yo, you know, say my boy used to talk to it. Well, me I talk to it now. Bumbo clad, my happy dog. My happy dog, you can't be a bumbo clad friend. You know, for me I smile, me I smile from what day, dog. What do you mean I say I have wisdom teeth? So I start blood clad smile. And every minute you come to me, dog, you know, say that girl let me hear this about the girl, me hear that about the girl. And my girl now. And me I tell you up, me love her and she's my queen. Fuck. Yo.
Facts.
If I talk to a girl and I don't want her, brother, I don't want her because I'm not going to use nobody girl thing. No, me leave you alone. Go on, go. Me not make two more pussy alone. Me hurt them body people, girl, thing feelings, brother. That shit.
Man, you take on a blood clot walk behind you, no man. And don't bumper clot fuck with me. Coming up, no girl no catch me up.
You don't have nobody?
Not at the moment. Lose my lady in a car accident. What about you?
Oh no, I never been into a car accident.
I mean if you don't have nobody?
No. Me lose all of my parents from them was children.
I mean if you are...
Enough girl feel say, we start them through them pussy good. Me not start you through your pussy good. I know you're a pussy alone good. Me start you through your fuck me good. I know you want to give me that fuck. After you give me them great fuck, you know what? Hey girl, me a camp out of your blood clot yard. Me I like the house with you tonight. Let me tell you something, you big head blood clot, man. Stop texting me blood clot. You a big dirty bumbo clot, big head man. Look.
It's a big good you want. Me know you. You love food. You love food.
Bad man. Chill out, bad man. Chill out, bad man. Me I don't like bad man. Me really and truly love a civilized man.
Now start doing all this side thing. You know you wanna give me a key.
You fine.
I'm for here.
Hey, let me tell you what they would say. Oh, there goes Miss Good Pussy. I know her pussy's wetter. Oh, mama mia, Miss Good Pussy. Her pussy, it tastes better.
Anytime I posted throwback pics of my cousins, they always rub me out.
Hey, fuck out, Orange Stella. Stop dig out the picture of them, no man. Let the past stay in the past, no big pussy girl. Or you sister, man? Sure. Fucky box. Fuck Chuck.
I love how you're very intoxication and you look insecure. So I like I look piercing in your
My
jaw,
insecure,
yeah.
though.
Yes, I like them something about you.
That me I tell you. Well, dad, me like them things that for me.
Catch it to a them on the nylon sheet. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I let them do it. What a blood clot. Dirty bomber.
Put on my clothes yesterday, I'm not going away. 10 people not see me in my clothes. So why me can't repeat my clothes today? I don't know nobody clothes. A girl can't see me in the sand point them finger and say, she mash up my things, mash up your blood clot.
Come on, money, street then, and guess what? But I'm sorry, me a fuck money. But I'm sorry, not at all. Enough time to my ball. This time I have to go get it. The fuck?
This,
The way
though,
a man pretend. A man can pretend to us 10 years say him love you. And when I check down the line, he don't want you.
Nah, nothing for you. The bomber clock the white. Chop. It's that man. Sean, ready again. Thanks. Excuse the other thing, brother. Me like, me. Yeah, go fucking in that move, man.
send my father my recent pics and hear what he had to say.
You know, look good, you're ugly, you feel me, Spiggy baby. Go ahead. Ugly girl, go to St. Thomas. I like to go to St. Thomas to go ugly up yourself. But you wear naked clothes. A summer picnic. You wear two-piece skirt and brassiere. It's summer. That's the way you're living. You're turning a go-go out there, Tete. I'm done with you.
Hey, blood clot, yeah. Ready? Yeah, go see you on my deadly. Yo.
So babes, the time when you take for make a fake page for text me, and I feel like take with like a boil of ramen and bust the gas. Cause your head go forever hurts you. Cause me and the boy not leaving. Cause boil of ramen and bust the gas or boil some tea.
Me bomber blood clot. Ras pussy bomber blood clot.
Blood clot boy, no frighten me, and a bumper wall girl, no frighten me. Me tell a boy, your girl go suck out there, mama, now. Me a tell you to the door, pass to the bumper clot place.
You can't even manage sex but you want arch and then something. Every time you start and I go like you're an idiot.
Because you're not going home, I want you to go on.
And that's what
I want you to boom flick, choke me.
Then you can't imagine if me did not go on when you want me to go on, you're dead.
Kill me.
So you want me to kill you?
Yes, yes.
Remember, I remember my past. Good Gatling girl, where you try this part of my past, I remember I ever come talk about my past. When I come life come talk about my suffering, every blood clot there. Me a rat and roach a bestie. Everybody blood clot know that when me a sleep, roach a crawl over my face right through. And now me dey sleep and open my mouth and whole heap of roach me eat. But I ask you, when me serve my KFC, I never have no, if I never have no really enough fridge for store the KFC in my store on the side part of my blood clot. Night table right on my bed there so, and I rat them coming night and I rock and I make a bag of knives, and I wake me up. What you think me for do? I talk to him. All of them have them name. You didn't have Jeffrey bad. Jeffrey Swift. You can't.
You know football 3 years now, you know. As a young green girl, you know.
No, cocky dolly pussy.
Dude, I want to buy some Amazon stock, but it's like $3,000 a share. Well, just wait till June 6th. What's on June 6th? On June 6th, Amazon will be $150 instead of $3,000 a share. Bro, there's no way Amazon will crash to $150 a share. No, you dummy. Amazon just announced a 20-to-1 split, which will allow small investors to afford their stock. Yo, that's some good news. Where can I stay updated about all this? You can follow Finance with Raj for all the updates.
I hate when men look mean. Leave me the F alone. I don't want none of y'all look mean because I don't want none of you.
Me now apologize to no blood clot by the man of God. Move on a blood clot, class for class, this for this. Move on a pussy clot.
What she do? Oh, shit.
Yo, check the letters. Boy start with B, don't it? And girl start with G. So why we refer to the boy them as G and to the girl them as B? Why? You ever wonder why?
I don't know, we want to get that from about in only one man time. You say if a man only have him time, forgive me, I waste my blood clot time. On a serious note though, you wanna know what's my biggest fear? My biggest fear, no joke thing, is meeting a guy, falling in love with him, and then one day I feel fish, and I say, babe, I could go get some fish. And him say him can't eat fish. I say, why? Him say me swim round. I'm sorry, come again? What was that? Because now we have me a stutter. You know what I mean? I'll go up on a date, him on the car, that's fine, we'll take a taxi. It's fine. I'm not picky, I don't judge too much. We take a taxi, me stump on the front, him on the back, him come out, babe, where I go? Him come out of the car because him can't sit alongside that two man on the back seat. I'm sorry, where's one go? Huh? One day I feel for fruits. And I see one man sell banana and buy one banana. Me eat my banana. Tell me why him broke off him one every time and I scramble like Skittles. What we I do? What we I do? God please. It's like my biggest fear. Come and ask for too much. You know what I mean? Simple, humble man with common basic sense. Because we not do this. We still play the game there. We still do that. Tell right? What we I do? What we I do?
Show the money upon the blood clot man them. They rather buy here, they rather buy Bridget's, but make you be a man with them and fuck out. Cause Jamaican woman will fuck you out.
Parry, all a meds no man. Here no man. Just here no brother.
I have to do your ear, go over your ear, put a little spritz and a little sit in your ear, I'll up your ear, a little eat treat aisle, and then a little sit down, put on a little sit like even ear.